Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to locate your Combox or Bluetooth module, as many of you guys call it, on your BMW F series. Now the Combox was fitted to the E60s, E90s and also the F series all the way up into 2014 until they switched over to MBT. So I'm going to be showing you how you can locate that, because a lot of people seem to think there's another separate Bluetooth module and they don't know where to locate it. So I'm explaining to you how Combox works, how to locate it, and what systems actually run through the Combox to make up the communication systems on the system itself. So let's get onto it.
What? Goddamn, get it done, will ya? Woo! When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in these rhymes, cause these memories, we running through New York, so you know.
Okay guys, so a lot of you are probably wondering again why we're in the rear trunk area or boot area, but that's because, as many of you guys know from the E series, a lot of the modules are located in the boot or trunk area. Now I'm going to be showing you why we're in here, and I'm going to be showing you how to locate your Combox very easily on your F series. So now you're probably thinking I'm going to go into the panels like the other modules, but you're completely wrong. On this one, you'll take this up, and as you'll see, the battery is also underneath the floor along with the terminals, and you'll pull this completely out. Now if you see there, you've also got your Combox, and you've also got your fuse box here as well. Now a lot of you are going to ask me why did BMW put a fuse box in the rear trunk area. They were very, very brave, that's all I can say, considering the older BMW used to get water in the trunk area, but that's how they must have known. They rectified the issue completely, because they wouldn't have felt comfortable putting that in the boot floor. Over here, you've now got your Combox located right here. Now, many of you will look around and think, so where's the Bluetooth module? But the Combox makes up the whole of the Bluetooth module. This Combox allows you for your Bluetooth audio, your music streaming, and also your BMW online and connected services. This is what the Combox, the telematics box, is actually for. It's built into one system completely, and these don't really go wrong. If you see right there, it's got a MOS fiber port on the F series going to it, which goes to the combi and to the head unit only on these. They don't have a MOS fiber port to no CD changes or anything like that. They just have the MOS fiber port going from the Combox to the extended cluster on the combis on these to the CIC itself. Now if you'll see down here, these are the DAB antenna wires. Over here is your Bluetooth wire right there as well. You've also got the blue socket there also. Now a lot of people check to see if they've actually got this, because this is a much needed upgrade, especially on the E series. These are still very expensive and hold their value very strongly because of the retrofits on the E series, on the E90s especially, because a lot of people want these to be able to play Bluetooth music through their phones, and also be able to stream any music and rip music to their CIC and play it. The Combox is a very, very good addition to the car, and especially with the connected online services where you can go online on the internet and everything else, which this one's able to do. But here is where your Combox will be located, and I believe it's the same on the F30 as well. Again, on the F10 it's located in the same place. BMW did choose to locate it under the floor, which is a very, very good thing, because easily removable and you can locate it, switch it straight over without the need of any hassle if need be. But bearing in mind, these don't really go wrong, they don't really suffer with heat so bad, and in the position BMW put them, they can disperse heat very quickly because they're not right down deep in the trunk area. They're actually above, so they're quite high up, so they're going to get air to them as well. So that's how you'd locate your Combox on your BMW F series. It will be in the trunk floor area, or it could be located in the panels in the rear behind something. Just check, but the majority of the time it is located in the trunk area. Okay, so I've now shown you how to locate your Combox on your BMW F series. Now if many of you don't know, it's also located in the floor well in the BMW E90s as well, alongside the E60 also. If you are having trouble finding it, just trace the wiring harness in the rear of your boot or your trunk on your F series, and it should lead you to the Combox. There is no Bluetooth module on cars anymore. Everything is fitted into the Combox in one unit. That's why it's called communication box for Bluetooth audio, music streaming, connected services. Everything to do with that CIC unit is integrated into the Combox. So I hope this video is going to help you, and if you do have an issue with your Combox, that's where you'll be able to find it, to take it out, to replace it with a new one. Just bear in mind, if you do replace it with a new one, it will need programming, the VIN changing, and also coding to your car. So thank you very much for watching. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.